Huge updates coming for Dex Finance. We're going to take a look at what they are and how you can get involved. Welcome back to the APY Guy Crypto and DeFi channel, where I try to bring you the best projects and information in the crypto space. If you like crypto and decentralized finance, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's get into it. What are the updates for Dex Finance? Well, Dex Finance is coming out with auto-compounding strategies. They have 3 different strategies. The first one is the Dex conservative strategy, where you're doing 90% US Dex USDC, 5% Dex share BNB, and 5% Dex share. That's wrong, but 5% Dex share. You have to have at least 5% of each pool into each strategy. So this would be the most conservative with the most US Dex USDC, which would be the stablecoin pair. In my opinion, this would be the bear market strategy. This would be what I would be doing now, waiting for the price of Bitcoin to figure out what it's going to do. In my honest opinion, I think it's going to go down further, Bitcoin. So I think everything else is going to come down with it. So I would want to have the least amount of exposure right now to some of the riskier assets like BNB and Dex share. Okay, let's move on to strategy number 2. Strategy number 2 is a balanced strategy where it's got 34% stablecoin pair US Dex USDC, 33% Dex share BNB, and 33% Dex share. This would be the strategy that I would use once Bitcoin found a bottom, because on the way up, you'll be gaining value with your Dex share and BNB in that pool. So once I think Bitcoin's found a bottom, that's probably where I'm going to be kind of shifting my funds from the conservative strategy down into the balanced strategy. Okay, now let's shift to strategy number 3. This is the aggressive strategy, supposedly. Honestly, I think this is probably going to be the one I'm not going to use. I kind of like this balanced strategy as my aggressive strategy. I just don't like having that much Dex share. I'd rather have more exposure to the BNB pool. If I were to do something crazy and get really aggressive, I'd do 70% of the BNB pool rather on the way up when the market's getting a little bit more bullish. So I will not be using this strategy at all. It's interesting, but at the same time, I think I'd rather go with the balance strategy or add more to the BNB pool. Okay, I'll do a quick overview. Right now, I'm going definitely into the conservative strategy, the 100% of my funds. Once Bitcoin's found a bottom, which I think it has not yet, I'm going to go with the balance strategy. I might kind of mess with that a little bit. I might put a little bit more in the BNB once we get there. I'm not going to be using strategy number 3 at all. I believe today is Saturday, the 8/20. Tomorrow is when they're going to launch it. In the announcements, it says we will provide a specific time on Sunday for public release, which will be accompanied by an AMA so that we can answer anyone's questions and walk people through the migration. But there has not been an update today, I don't think, any more than what they did yesterday. So I'm not exactly sure if it releases tomorrow or if they're going to just give a specific time on the release. I am very bullish on Dex Finance still. I think as a whole, they're doing a really good job. They're keeping US Dex fairly stable at about $1.07. And I think they have a lot more coming in the future. I think this is just the tip of the iceberg. They got a lot more coming. And you will get all your Dex Finance updates on the APY Guy channel. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future bullish announcements like this one. Thank you for watching and have a great day.